Hi, and welcome back. Let's take a look at a few things you should know before you start using your tree shear. First things first. Before you start using your tree shear, please make sure that all of your fittings, quick connectors, and everything in the hydraulic system is securely tightened. By default, we ship the tree shears with two male 1/2 inch BSP British pipe standard fittings that you can connect your excavator into. Before you start using the shear for cutting, make sure that you've bled all the air out of the cylinder and the hydraulic system. This is very important before exposing the cylinder to heavy use, as excess air within the system might cause damage to the cylinder's seals inside. Right cutting position is extremely important when it comes to your work safety and efficiency. Make sure that you tilt the shear downwards and align the tree into the base of the main grapple. If you're utilizing the brush grapple, it is even more important as the Hardox 500 blade will live a little while cutting, and doing this the wrong way might expose you to damaging the blades if they come across each other. Check episode 8 for more details regarding this. Active maintenance for the tree shear is the key for its longevity. The tree shear should be greased every 8 hours of work, and the frame should be checked all around for any possible defects or damage. And don't forget to check the condition of the spring and to grease the grease nipple of the collector arm, as it's normally hidden inside the tree shear. When inspecting the shear, always check if the blade requires sharpening. From the factory, the blade is equally sharpened from each side in 15-degree angles. Maintaining this style will improve your cutting results. Before you start using the Delimber, you should quickly grind off the excess paint on top of the blade with an angle grinder to get the delimbering result that you want. If you're working with the Delimber, make sure that you clear the back of the Delimber blade frequently. Especially when working with wet snow or a lot of loose material, dirt or branches, they might get backed up behind it. If it's not cleared of excess material, it may result in damage on the Delimber blade. Okay. Now we've covered most of the basics. Even our new employee Jaakko, is everything clear for you? And if you have any questions or you want more knowledge regarding the TMK Tree Shear product range, please don't hesitate to contact us or our dealers. We're always here and happy to assist you. Now it's time to say goodbye, so until next time.